Hi everyone, it's a wonderful day here and I'm on the way to get new tires for my Lincoln Town Car. So the tires I choose are a little bit different than what my plans were, but there are a lot of problems to get tires right now. They're either on back order or they are really expensive. So I picked what I thought was the best choice for this town car, and we'll go get the tires now. I have the store put them up, and at the end of the video I'll let you know what I paid for them, and of course I'll show you the tires off as well.
I grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race, every move was on the page.
Alright guys, so it's all done. My tires are on the vehicle. I didn't film when they did it. I hope that's okay. So here we go, let's have a look at the new tires. Okay, so in case you don't see it, these are the Goodyear Assurance tires. These are all seasons. And the reason I went for these is because my plan was to go back to the whitewall tires, which many of you guys absolutely like, but I just couldn't find any. They're either super expensive or not available in my size, or they are the Travel Stars, and for me I decided against the Travel Stars. I do respect the guys that buy the Travel Stars and like them, and I hope you respect that I do not like them and didn't want to put them on again. I had them when I got the vehicle and wasn't super happy with them. Okay, so I wanted the Goodyear tires because of the price. They were $146 per tire, which is okay, which is fair, I think. I wanted an American tire this time, just for no reason why, it's just so. And yeah, that's why I choose the Goodyear tires. My tires brand that I prefer is the Michelin's. I've always liked Michelin tires, but Goodyear tires, I had them in the past and I liked them, so I'll see if I like these or not. I'll let you know how they are. So far so good. I like the size. Last time I went for 235/55 on 17, and that was a little bit wider than stock and a little bit lower than stock, so the diameter should be about the same. This time I went for 235/60, of course 17, and the reason why is someone told me that the car ride's more comfortable and all that, so I'll give it a try and see if that's true. So I know it looks a little bit taller, but not much. They look a little bit bigger, which is normal. I mean, if the sidewall is a little bit taller, of course it looks a little bit taller, but it's okay. It's not a big deal for me, you know. Tires, you can always buy new tires. I know they cost a lot, but I don't buy tires for the next 10 years. That being said, I hope you enjoyed this video and the update on the tires. Sorry I couldn't buy any fancy tires, sidewalls or Vogue rims or anything like that, but still hope you enjoyed the video and also enjoy the beautiful site where I chose to park. And there'll be a lot more videos out in the future about this vehicle and also about my other vehicles once the weather gets better. As you can see today, the weather is great. So have a good one and see you soon.